So hello everyone, welcome to Decor Vibe YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about kitchens, the real heart of every homes. A kitchen is not just a place to cook, it is a place where memories are made, where families spend time together and where love is shared through food. When you design a kitchen, you design a lifestyle. Every corner of the kitchen speaks about the personality of the people living in the home. That is why kitchen interior are very important, and today we will explore different type of kitchen style from simple to modern, from classic to luxurious. Before we start, I want to request you to subscribe to our channel Decor Vibe. Press the bell icon so you never miss any of our new video. Your support gives us motivation to bring you more beautiful interior ideas every day. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let us begin with the design. The first style is the modular kitchen. This type of kitchen is very popular in modern homes. I come with ready-made cabinet, drawers and sections that can be easily fixed in your space. Modular kitchen save time, look stylish and also give you a smart storage option. Next comes the open kitchen design. This type is perfect for people who love open space living and open kitchen connected directly with the living or dining area. It makes the home look bigger and also brings family member closer. People can cook while talking to guests or children. This design is now very common in the global homes. Another popular style, the parallel kitchen. In this type, two counters run opposite each other creating a parallel shape. This design is perfect for small or medium-sized space. It gives you enough room for storage and working without wasting any corner. The L-shaped kitchen is one of the most practical and comfortable style. As the name says, it is the built in the shape of the letters L. This design makes good use of corner space and give you a free area in the center. You can even keep a dining table or slant. Now let us talk about the L-shaped kitchen. This is best for people who love cooking with comfort. Three sides of the wall area used and it creates a lot of counter space. You can keep different areas for preparation, cooking and cleaning. It is a very organized and efficient. Some people prefer a straight line kitchen. This design is simple and useful for small flats or studio apartments. Everything is arranged in a single line and it does not take much space. It looks clean and modern. Then we have the slant kitchen, which is the trending these days. In this design, an slant or extra counter is made in the center of the kitchen. It is useful for preparation, dining or even keeping small appliances. Slant kitchen are common in big house and give a luxurious look. Apart from design, materials also matter. Wooden finished bring warmth and natural beauty. Glossy laminates give a shiny and modern look. Marble and granite countertop are strong and stylish. For budget-friendly options, you can go for tiles and laminates. Lighting is another important part of the kitchen interior. Ceiling lights brighten the whole kitchen. Under cabinet light make working on counter easy. Pendant lights on the slant add beauty and give a soft glow. Natural sunlight through a window always make a kitchen more refreshing. Storage idea are also very important. Smart pull-out drawers, corner racks and hanging shelves help in using every inch of space. You can also keep separate cabinets or appliances, groceries and crockery. A well-organized kitchen always looks clean and peaceful. Global kitchen also focus on color themes. White kitchen look fresh and pure. Grey and black kitchen look modern and bold. Wooden tone give a natural feel. Some people also love colorful kitchen with blue, green or yellow shades to add energy. Do not forget to safety and cleanness. Use a proper chimney or exhaust fan for ventilation. Keep easy to clean surface like quartz or granite. Always plan good water supply and drainage safety with gas line, electric point and appliance should always be kept in mind. For people who love luxurious touch, smart kitchens are becoming very popular. These come with built-in appliance, automatic light, digital screens, and advanced feature. You can connect them with mobile app and make your cooking experience easier. At the same time, some people prefer a traditional kitchen style. These kitchens have classic wooden cabinets, open shelves, and natural color. They give a homely and warm feeling. Remember, there is no single perfect kitchen design. The kitchen design is the one that suits your lifestyle, your family needs, and your budget. A kitchen should be functional but also beautiful and welcoming. So friends, these were different type of kitchen interiors, from simple to modern, from a small space to large luxurious home. I hope this video give you useful ideas for your dream kitchens. If you like this video, please support our channel Decor Vibe by subscribing. Share this video with your friend and family so they can also get inspired for their own kitchen design. We will keep bringing you more amazing ideas on home interiors. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video with more creative and inspiring design.